Have you ever felt that your business only works for you till the time you are working 24 by 7? Do you always wonder how do successful business owners or how do some people, even if they work 4 hours, 5 hours a day, they are done, and you working like 24 by 7, day in, day out, every single time? It's just that, you know what, how or why am I getting less money than what other people are actually generating from their business? Or how do you feel that, if I take a rest or if I take a break, people are going to kill me, people are going to be after me, I won't be able to generate sales and marketing for me? If you are someone like this, then I want you to stick to this video, because we are going to unveil some of the most important things that matter when it comes to building a business in terms of energetics. But before I go ahead, hi everyone, or hi there. My name is Gargi Arya. I'm a certified life coach and a business mentor. But more than a mentor, I would love for you to treat me as a true friend, because then only I'll be able to help you. If you trust me, make sure if you're new to my room, you subscribe to the channel, because from now on, you're going to get so much of wisdom coming over here in terms of healing, in terms of business, in terms of strategies, energetics, and so much more. So, the first thing which I want to tell you before even you go ahead to this video is we will be discussing the three mindset that you should never build up when you're building a business. The first mindset key that I want to talk to you about is your business is a baby. Trust me, your business is not a baby. Stop saying that, because if you will treat your business like a baby, in terms of society, it's like a baby should always be taken care. Stop saying this, because when we talk about business energetics, if you keep on believing that your business is a baby, I know your intention. I know that your business is something that you need to take care of. But don't you talk about these things, because you know what happens when you do all of this. Your business is separate from you. Your business has its own energy, your business has its own entity. And if you keep on feeding to your business that hey, you are a baby, hey, you are a baby, you know what, you have to work 24 by 7, because it can't take care of itself. If it may sound very shocking that Gargi, what are you talking about, but trust me, in our trauma back life coaching program, this is what we learn, this is what we talk about. In terms of business energetics, this is what we do. Your business is not your baby, it can take care of itself. So stop saying that. Second thing, the second thing which I want you to, before even I move on to the second thing, let me just give you a homework of the first mindset. How can you start believing that your business has its own energy, and how can you not interfere it by saying that you are a baby? How can you give your business the permission that, you know what, you work for me, I'm going to work, we are going to work together, rather than me just doing everything, every single thing. So you know what, when you start going into this mindset, trust me, even on the days when you rest, you will generate the highest amount of money. Why? Because your business knows that, you know what, if Gargi is not there, I can take care of her sales, I can take care of the marketing, I can take care of the clients. It's all about energy. I know you must be thinking about strategies, logical things, but hey, here we don't discuss about logic. The second very important mindset which I want to talk to you about is your business should not be attached to your self-worth. I've seen so many of my clients or so many people who come to me, they are like, you know what, Gargi, I'm too much attached with my sales, I'm too much attached with my numbers, I'm too much attached with every single thing. I know this is very common. मुझे भी disappointment होती है when things don't go, when I am putting my 100% and the results are not coming. But I do not attach myself to the numbers. I had a time in my life, I think 1 to 2 years back, when I used to attach myself to the number of people who are coming in my webinars, to the number of people who are registering for my webinars, to the number of people who are booking the call with me, to the number of people who are converting or taking their journey ahead. But today I don't. I just live in a surrender mode, because I know I'm putting my efforts into my business. I know even if today it does not give me any result, or even if today it feels like my energy is all into this but nothing is generating. Trust me, with this kind of mindset, you will go like long way, because you will be like, you know what, results are coming, because you know it's all going to come at the right time. So if you're someone who feels that your self-worth is attached, if you attach yourself, you know your business will look like up and down, क्योंकि जब भी वो रिजल्ट नहीं आएगा तो आपकी एनर्जी काम करने की होगी ही नहीं. एंड व्हेन योर एनर्जी इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी देयर, you would be like, let me stop coaching, and that's where people give up. Don't attach yourself to the numbers, don't attach yourself to the things that are not in our hands, because I can do marketing, I can do so much, but I cannot decide where this video is going to go. And you know what, there's something which I have learned recently which I want to talk to you about. A lot of times we forget that our own body is not comfortable to earn the amount of money that you are expecting as a target. Every single month as a business owner, we have targets that I want to earn 3 lakhs per month. I want to hit 5 lakhs this month. I want to hit 10 lakhs or 1 lakh this month. But you know what? You should never keep a target, because there's a difference between target and alignment. I know that I'm aligned to the number of 2 lakhs per month. So even if I have a target, just listen to me very carefully. I'm giving an example. Let's say if I want to touch 5 lakhs a month, now I'll give you the target, how the target feels like. It's 18th of September today. I might feel every single time that 18th हो गए, अभी तक मेरा हाफ भी क्रॉस नहीं हुआ है, अभी तक मेरा इतना भी क्रॉस नहीं हुआ, अभी तक मैंने 3 lakhs का मार्क भी टच नहीं किया. क्लाइंट्स कहाँ से आएंगे? नेक्स्ट 10-15 days में तो September will be over. How will I reach the target? This is the language of a target person, because you don't feel that you're aligned. But someone who is aligned, let's say if I say that, I'm aligned to reach the target of 5 lakhs per month. Even if today is 18th of September, I have that inner confidence that, I know I will hit it, because I know I'm aligned to the number of achieving 5 lakhs a month. So I want you to understand about it that, don't set targets, be in alignment, because when you are aligned, that's when you can achieve things very easily and effortlessly. आप देखते होगे ना, कुछ लोग बहुत कम काम करके भी their results speaks themselves. You can be the next. So sit with yourself, understand how are you attaching your self-worth to your business, because if you are doing that, you are doing the worst mistake in your business. And the second thing, the third thing, very, very important, your business is not something that is a machine. You and your business is not a machine. Even if both of you are like, you are a human, that is an energy. Even energies need rest. So give yourself the time to rest. Give your business the permission to rest. It's okay if you don't hit your numbers. It's okay sometimes if you don't see things going the way. Give yourself the time, give your business the time, and analyze on the 3 pointers that I talked about, because this is what I spoke about is called business energetics. And I'm very, very excited and looking forward to the launch of our life coaching mentorship course, nervous system expansion during Navratri. Stay tuned for it. If you have any questions, I would love to help you in the comments below. Do let me know if there are any more questions that you want me to answer, that you want me to take as a topic. And I've been a little inactive on YouTube since a very long time. I come, I go, I come and I go. But from now on, I really hope that I will be on here with all of you. I know that there's so many of you that you request me to make videos, but finally I'm back and I'm happy to be back over here. If you have any specific topics that you want me to take on YouTube videos, I would love for you to let me know in the comment section. And yes, I will keep on sending videos, or I'll keep on posting videos on a very frequent basis for now. So do share your comments below with me. I would love to hear them. Thank you so much.